Hello guys, welcome back to WordPress W3 School. SEO is the most consistent and cost-effective website traffic source, but it can be a challenging and complex maze. Whether you're just starting out or an advanced user, you don't have to do this alone. We're here to help. You haven't time to learn and keep up with SEO best practices? You aren't alone. Keeping Yoast SEO up to date with the latest version means you automatically receive all of the under-the-hood updates to schema markup and technical SEO fundamentals. We also guide you through optimizing your on-site content with our signature traffic lights approach. Empower search engines to fully understand your website using our schema.org structured data integration. Yoast SEO offers comprehensive analysis tools that help elevate your content's SEO and readability. Get powerful insights and actionable recommendations to craft helpful content that resonates with readers and search engines. Yoast SEO plugin. Free install and activate.